Hi, I'm Mandy Guerrero. I'm a two-time world overall champion. I won in 1987 and 1988 at the lifting tournament. I started playing ultimate frisbee in 1980, and Tina Booth got me into individual events. I think in '82 was my first major overall tournament at Manassas, Virginia, and then my first U.S. Open was in '83. I came in second 5 times at the U.S. Open overall, and Tina was instrumental in getting me going in the sports and teaching me EDC. And then Harvey Brandt was another big influential person in my frisbee career. And I moved out to, first I moved down to Florida, and Tammy Pelicane taught me how to throw distance. And then I moved out to San Diego and started playing DDC with Liz Herrick. So these are some of the major influences in my play. I have loved the overall, and the people who play frisbee, and certainly the people are what have kept me in the sport. But being able to do all the different events and try my luck in each one has been really fun. I've now gotten my 10-year-old son Julian into the sport, and this week we're at the U.S. Open in Fredericksburg, and he's competing for the first time in the overall. I would love to see more women playing the sports. There's an event for everyone, and the Frisbee family is just fabulous and worth being a part of.